Hi guys, so I'm currently in the kitchen with our new flooring. Hi, good morning guys. So this morning we're having the floor being taken down ready for the new flooring. But at least you look good.
Yeah, I'm sure.
How's it going?
Great.
You enjoying it?
Yep.
Nothing's happened till I've shared it with you. Don't back down. You know what we
You can see now. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll show you more when it comes closer to light. But it completely transformed this place. So much brighter. Actually, that camera made this place much smaller to what it is, but it's much bigger. So I show you. Look at this kitchen. I go a little bit step back so you can have a look. This is the actual authentic color. I can't even believe how beautiful my iPhone 11 Pro has captured. I tried to record it with my older camera. Look at the grains, guys.
in the eye of time, nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.